Telegram's 800 million users and 2.5 million daily signups make now the ideal time to engage. Connect directly from the LiveChat app where your favorite socials are already integrated. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to link your Telegram account to LiveChat in just 3 steps. Creating a Telegram bot, integrating Telegram with LiveChat, and adding Telegram to your chat widget's welcome screen. This will allow you to chat with your Telegram customers, route messages to the right teams, and manage multiple Telegram bot commands, all with the added bonus of the first 50 chats being free. Let's dive in. Step 1. Creating a Telegram bot. First things first, in order for your business to connect with your customers on Telegram, you need to create a Telegram bot. This way, you will be able to connect your Telegram account directly to LiveChat. Now, you might wonder why a Telegram bot is needed. Well, in short, this is how Telegram has programmed a third-party connection. So think of the Telegram bot as a USB-A to USB-C converter. So here's how you can create your Telegram bot. Right, so I'm going to open Telegram on desktop. You can do so on mobile. It looks practically the same. So what you want to do is log into your account and search for BotFather. Official Telegram bots have a blue check mark next to their name. So we want to click on Start to start a chat with BotFather. And you will receive a list of commands you can use to manage bots. Now you can select or type in the /newbot command and send it. So now we want to choose a name for our bot. This is getting exciting. So users will actually see the name during conversations. So I'm going to go with something like Chat Telegram 01 bot. Good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot. Okay. So once again, let's send it. And done! Congratulations! Now, once you choose a name for your bot, it will be created, and you will receive a message with a link to your bot. Recommendations on how to set up a profile picture, a description, and a list of commands you can use to manage your new bot. Now, don't worry about editing your profile pic or description for now. I'll show you how to do all of that directly from the LiveChat app a bit later. Right, so to connect your bot to LiveChat, you need a token. And here it is. Now this token will be essential for integrating your bot with LiveChat. So what we want to do is make sure to copy and save the bot tokens securely. Now you must be thinking, all right, Kaya, but how do I find a token for an existing bot? Let's get to that. So once again, we want to find ourselves talking to BotFather, and we want to input /token command. Let's send it. And you will see buttons with your existing bots. So simply select the required bot so that you can connect it to LiveChat. So I'm going to put LC test 3 bot. And here we can see our token. So now you can simply copy your token value and we can start onboarding your Telegram account to LiveChat. Step 2, integrating Telegram with LiveChat. All right, so now that we have our bot and we have our token, we are ready to connect our Telegram with LiveChat and start talking to our customers. To integrate Telegram with LiveChat, the first thing you want to do is log into your LiveChat account. Then you want to go to Apps and search Telegram for Business. Open it up and click on Get. Right, read through the app permissions and click on Allow. And we did it. Now, if your Telegram for Business integration isn't pinned to the sidebar, you can do so here. Right, let's go ahead and open it up. So click Allow once again. And we want to go and click Add New. And here we want to paste the authentication token we copied earlier. You can also choose which group of agents you want to assign to service this bot. I'm going to go and simply click Connect. And that's it. You're all set and can start chatting with your Telegram customers. Now, you can edit your bot on the Telegram for Business dashboard. Simply go ahead and click on Edit here. all the changes you make in the Telegram for Business integration in LiveChat will automatically be displayed in your Telegram app. So here we have the basic information. So we have our bot name, assigned group, and about will be visible on the bot's profile page in Telegram. It can contain up to 120 characters. The description will appear before the customer starts to chat with you like this. And in predefined messages, which are optional, we have the welcome message, which will be sent to the customer as soon as they start to chat with you. And lastly, we have bot commands. A bot command is a keyword you want your customer to input to trigger a specific action. It has to start with a slash. So your customers can either go to the menu in the bottom left corner of Telegram to choose a command or simply type in slash and then select one from the list. So let's go back to the LiveChat app and create a bot command. So here in bot commands, we want to click on add new. And let's do shipping policy. So we have to type in slash shipping policy. Now we have description. So it gives customers information about what they will see after picking this command. So in the description, we're going to write, send me the shipping policy. And in response, we're going to go ahead and paste our shipping policy. Then we want to click save. And that's it. Right, let's start a quick chat side to side so you can see how it works. So from the customer's perspective, if they want to find us, they're simply going to go into search, LC, Telegram, 02, bot, and start to chat with us. On the right side, we can see that we have our chat started, and the customer can simply go into the menu or type in slash shipping policy. And then we receive a notification in the chat with them. Now this can help you better understand what the customer might need. So you can have an unlimited number of bot commands, whether you're using the free version or the Business Pro version. Customer details. So in chats on the right side, you will find the customer details section. Let's go and open it up. Now here you're going to find a lot of information. A lot of your customer information, including data from Telegram, like name and Telegram ID, so the account ID your customer is using on Telegram, and so on. Step 3, adding Telegram to your chat widget's welcome screen. Now, if you'd like to go a step further, like giving your website visitors various options of contacting you, then I have great news for you. Adding Telegram to your chat widget is a breeze. You can now add it to your welcome screen. For that, in the LiveChat app, you want to find yourself in the Telegram for Business dashboard. You want to go ahead and copy your Telegram bot link. So right-click and copy link address. Then you want to go into Settings, and you want to find yourself in Website Widget and Welcome Screen. Of course, at the top, you can change the group you want to customize the welcome screen for. Then you want to go down and find Manage Content, and find Custom Links. Click Add Links, and input the link we copied earlier. Then click the up arrow and name your link. So I'm going to go for Contact Us on Telegram. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on Done. Now please remember to click Save Changes. Here we can see a preview of how our widget is going to look. So we have Back to Chat and Contact Us on Telegram. Now, when your customers visit your site, they'll have multiple options of starting a chat with you, all displayed in one chat widget. Now, if you'd like to unlock the possibility of having unlimited Telegram bots with unlimited chats that can be handled by unlimited agents, you can upgrade to a Pro version. For that, in the LiveChat app, you want to go to Apps, then you want to go to App Settings, and find Telegram for Business. Go to the in-app upgrades, and make sure you have the unlimited chats plan selected and confirm the payment. And that's it. You can start enjoying your unlimited version of Telegram for Business. Right, that was a lot. if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments or go to livechat.com and start a chat with us. Take care and see you soon.